Welcome to ATP Customs. I just want to show you that it's really worth taking your time and evaluating your whole car. That is the steering column mount, and right up here it has a little tweak in it, and the whole mount has a little space. Something's not quite right. I can see some old school welds that we don't do anymore. Some ugly looking sealant here. So I'm definitely following little mysteries, like this thing had an accident. Hence all the weird color changes in the body kit. I have spent all day just going over little bits and pieces. Highly recommend take your time and go over everything when you're taking your car apart. This is an entire day of me just evaluating it. And it's going to be worth it in the end because I hopefully won't have missed anything at all. So I recommend always take your time, check every little detail, and enjoy it. When you enjoy it, that's how you find all the little mistakes. Thanks for watching.